Nawa amaphupho amabi ekumele ukuthi uwaqaphele. Elokuqala, iphupho lokudla. If you always constantly dream eating, lelo phupho alikho lihle. Remember, amandla wakho angaphakathi kuwena. So uma udla ulele, uphupha udla ulele, the power that is within you izama ukumoshwa, bazama ukuyiceda. So ukudla noma okungathiwa udla ukudla okumnandi okuhle, alikho right iphupho la udla khona, alilunganga. Your intakes are very much important because of ungadla into engekho right, uvele ulimale ngaphakathi uzushone. And ezinye izinto ozidla ngamaphupho wakho azikho right because kukhona nje into ezibanzima ezingalapheki, uzosone nomzimba obuhlungu ngenxa yokuthi wadliswa ngamaphupho. Kanti uma uphupha uhlanza, lihle lelo phupho because of konke okubi kuyaphuma ngokwephupho. So jabula wena ophuphe uhlanza because of kuphumile konke lokumele kuphuphe okumele kuphume. Okwesibili, amaphupho where you are having intercourse, meaning sexual intercourse, guys, awalunganga because of sexual intercourse ila amandla wakho bawaqeda khona. You might have a dream with this beautiful person, nomuntu omaziyo ukuthi yawo kuumuntu wami loya. They are just using this person's shadow, basebenzisa isithunzi salomuntu kanti ulala nesilwane ungasazi or nobumnyama ongabazi. So every time you dream udla or having intercourse, those dreams are not good. Pray, uvuke, ukhafula, ukhafule, and pray ngamandla ukuthi God, whatever laba bangijikjela ngakho, whatever lokho ungithunyelwa ngakho, akuhlakazeke ngegama lakho, Nkosi yokulunga, Mesiya olungileyo, akuhlakazeke. Stay prayerful. Siyanqoba ngomthandazo wodwa, umkhuleko unamandla uma sikhuleka ngokuyinikela, ngokwethemba. Please guys, khulekani ngamandla, amandla akunina. Singanqoba yonke lento ngomkhuleko nje, ngomkhuleko.